It's a true story. I'm here to share our experiences. This is my first Ignite talk. It's a very cool format. Slides change automatically. Automatication. It's supposed to change automatically. Sorry. If you practice DevOps, you probably have a DevOps pipeline. Pipeline is in the core of all DevOps. If you succeed in continuous deployment, you probably don't need to boring tasks such as building, compiling, tests, versioning, and many more. Organizations, big or small in scale, really work hard to build this pipeline. Pipeline needs to has a specific scope. It needs to have a specific beginning and a specific end. But is it well constructed, or does it have leaks or cracks inside of it? In some point, pipeline becomes red and it's broken. But there are many reasons to get broken. I mean, there should maybe some scenarios are outdated or there's a problem in the environment. At the same time, you are under a real pressure. That means managers, product owners, or customers need something immediately, just right now. And you have a little time, and you are confused to fix it or not. There are great developers that build great products, and there are many great QA engineers, they build bug-free applications. Also, there are people in the organization know other people as well. They are very friendly, they know a lot of people, and they know how to do boring tasks, such as not to use the pipeline. So imagine a pipeline is broken, and the developer did it. So he goes to people and convinces them that we do not have time to fix the pipeline, and we just do it manually. And convince them that skip all the configurations. If you are in the middle of DevOps transition and culture shift, and at the same time if you have backdoors in your pipeline, then you will see some serious problems, that people will definitely use those backdoors. They manually deploy to test environment, they manually run tests, even operations staff will deploy to production manually. This is not good at all. All the hard work is gone. They call this good old days, but it's not good at all. They wasted all the hard work and efforts. We know all the cons of these manual steps. So, when you see any cheating in the DevOps pipeline, you need to work on culture and at the same time configuration permissions. Nobody needs to do it manually. They just convince everybody that there's no way other than the pipeline way. Nobody can go to the manually. Breaking the pipeline is not a crime. Just be sure to fix it, and fix it as soon as possible, that you have a little time, that doing the manual is not good. Treat all the environments just like production, that nobody needs to access the environment to release something. That you can build a great logging system for that. Nobody needs to do SSH again. Some advices for developers that run tests on your local machine and be sure that everything works great. Then publish your changes and cross your fingers. If something goes wrong, be sure that you have a little time. Never go home on a broken pipeline. And build a shared responsibility culture, that if a development team shares the pain of operations staff, they will bring to the table new ways for a better deployment and better maintenance. There should be no silos between teams. Take away from this talk, please. Do not cheat on DevOps. DevOps pipeline is your friend, and manual way is a trap. Thank you.